Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today I am in Glen, Gardner, New Jersey, about to do a measurement for an existing client. And I wanted to make this video to show you guys how I use the self-leveling laser. This is a huepar. I've been using this guy for about 4 years. It's very accurate and has been very, very reliable in comparison to the DeWalt's that I've had, as well as Bosch. Not to mention this is also much cheaper. So I am not sponsored by huepar in any way. I just wanted to show you guys how I use, or how you can use, a self-leveling laser to measure for your prospective shower enclosure. So first thing is, this is a corner enclosure, right? So this is a little more complicated to measure in comparison to a stall. So what I first do is I put the laser level to overlap the knee wall. As you see, the laser line is away from this wall. And then I line it up center on the saddle, because that's where the glass is going to be lined up to. So this is where your high school skills of mathematics and learning and knowing how to read a tape measure. If you don't know how to read a tape measure, pause the video, go see a couple of videos on how to measure a tape measure. It's a very handy thing to do. And honestly, as a grown-ass adult, as you probably are,
I'm a grown-ass man.
Okay, yes, you are. You got some schmutz right here.
Hey!
you should know how to do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first measure out a square here for this knee wall. So I'm going to go ahead and take a dimension here. So we got 2 5/8, right? So I'm going to go to the bottom and see what that size is. We got 2 11/16. What that's showing me is that this knee wall is pretty darn close to plumb, but the bottom is shooting back 1/16 of an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and document that on a piece of paper. Now to check for the big boy here, okay? So now I'm doing this one-handed, so let me borrow this. Very nice. I'm going to set you down on the floor there. I'm going to use my footsies to hold it down. And then we're going to see what this dimension is. What do we got here? We got 45 3/8. Very good. Now I'm going to take that same idea. Oh, this is fun by myself. There we go. I'm going to put you in the center, or close to the center. And then take this dimension. What do we got here? We got 45 3/8. So that means it's level from that point there to that point there. Now, I'm going to do the same to the top. I can't do that one-handed, but I will document that size. That will determine if this wall is level or not. Write that down. It's okay if it's not level. Then we've got this guy. This is where the laser level really shines, okay? Is the strategic placement of putting this guy to overlap this knee wall here will help me measure this entire enclosure just by that one point. When you start having to move the laser level multiple times, you're going to get mixed results. All right, so we're going to go ahead and measure this knee wall here. As you see, I'm getting it right dead center because that's where the glass is going to be laid out. And then I measure this, and we got 53 3/4, right? It's always good to have a friend help you do this too. All right, so then I have a back end here. What do we got? There it is. And then, so those are the walls, right? But then the really cool thing is now I can also measure for the saddles. Okay, so here we have 5 inches exactly. And again, I'm trying to measure right that center. And here we have 5 3/16. That's showing me that this side of the knee wall is going down. Beautiful, that's fine. And then don't forget this little point right here. Now remember, we had 5 3/16 here. Let's go ahead and get this guy. What do we got? We got 5 3/16. So that means that this whole thing right here is level, while from that point to this point is going down. So we're going to go ahead and use that same location on the laser level. And we're going to check the saddle. It doesn't matter what line you choose, but I like to go with the top line, because the top line is the same line that we used over here. All right, so what do we got? We got 39 1/8. We'll go ahead, come on this side, And we got 39 and 5/16. So that's telling me that the saddle is coming down on this end 3/16 of an inch. You're gonna jot all these numbers down while you're doing this. And then you're gonna take actual dimensions, which is from end to end with the tape measure, and then from the bottom to the top of the knee wall. One very important dimension you're gonna need is this overlap here, which is 1/2 inch. And then you're gonna take a dimension off of here, which is 12 and 1/16, somewhere over there. There you go, 12 and 1/16. And then measure your height, wherever you want the glass to end up. So I think we're gonna match this grout line right here. And that is it. You've measured your enclosure with a self-leveling laser. And as you see, it took all but 5 minutes to do with a lot of talking. And that's it. So if you guys like this laser level, you could find the link on the description below. And don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel, as I will be making a lot of tutorials on how to measure, repair, design, and also install your frameless shower enclosures. All right? So don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a better spider will crawl on your face.